Hey y'all, what's up? So I'm about to go to this little free TI thing, this free TI thing or whatever, and it's free. Y'all probably can hear the music or whatever, but this man just threatened me over a parking spot. Parking spot. But let me take y'all with me. Subscribe. Okay. So y'all, it's getting close. I gotta remember. Look at all these people. I hear it. I hear it. I don't know. But I don't know where it's at. So, I guess it's over here, y'all. Here you go, y'all.
Go ahead and give it to us what you think about this upcoming season on Sunday.
I'm gonna tell you like I tell everybody else, 9 to 5.
Take me to Las Vegas.
They gonna take you to Las Vegas. Take you to Las Vegas.
55 to 1.
Yes. Performed yet. They just doing some type of Falcons rally or something like that, y'all. It's real busy out here. Real busy. So this video probably gonna be a lot of music in the background and just a slideshow. Oh, they doing t-shirts? Girl, we can't even get on that. They can find out.
Where can we see y'all hanging out around the city?
Yeah, we ain't gonna tell too much. We gotta start winning first.
I was trying, Dirty Birds. I was trying.
You want to see this? Come on out to the stadium Sunday. You be there. Yes, sir. You gonna show up? Yes, sir. Here's a question for each of y'all, man. These fans are... See me back.
teens and get rich. I lean and get lit. Lava bean six, I take bro. The opposite of poverty miss. I ride 26 and let my 9 screen flip. Show me watching over magnetic beam clip. You do a triple back rental, but now I ain't tilt. These lucky torn diamonds, but now I ain't real back down. Hold on. Then I let my shoulder lean. Then I let my thumbs go. Then I let my motor pay. Suicide, no brown rover.
Okay, y'all, so I'm leaving the rally. Okay. Look at the fireworks. Hold on. Y'all really can't see it, but I'm walking back to my car before I get lost, y'all. Whew. They out here shooting firecrackers, my nerves bad. Wig looking all the way. I hope y'all like the video. I'm about to go try to find my car. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye.